आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let's start this question. The question is, write three distinct features of chemisorption which are not found in physisorption. Chemisorption and physisorption, these are the two types of adsorption. This adsorption, it is a surface phenomena. It is a process in which molecular species, they are accumulated at the surface rather than in the bulk of a solid and liquid phase. It is termed as adsorption. It is a surface phenomena. Now the two types of adsorption, first is chemisorption and another is physisorption. Chemisorption, it is also known as chemical adsorption, and it is physical adsorption. Now in case of chemical adsorption, the adsorption in which gas molecules or atoms, they are held to the solid surface by some chemical bond, it is known as chemical adsorption. So it is caused by some chemical bond formation. Chemical bond, it may be covalent bond or it may be ionic in nature. For example, if I take the example of oxygen, it is adsorbed on metal by oxide formation, and hydrogen is adsorbed by the transition metal by hydride formation. In case of physisorption, physical adsorption, the adsorption in which accumulation of gas on the surface of solid, it occur on account of weak van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces is called physical adsorption. It is also known as van der Waals adsorption. Now the chemical adsorption, since we are saying that the chemical adsorption, the gas or molecule or atoms, they are held by some chemical bond formation, so it is obvious that chemical adsorption, it is highly specific in nature. It is highly specific in nature. But physical adsorption, the gases, they get adsorbed by weak van der Waals forces, so it is not specific in nature. A given surface of an adsorbent does not show any preference for a particular adsorbent. So any adsorbent, it may get adsorbed on any of the adsorbent. It is not specific in nature. Chemical adsorption is specific, physical absorption is not specific. Another point of difference between physical and chemical adsorption is that since we are saying that chemical adsorption, it is formed by chemical bond, it means it results in the formation of unimolecular layer. That is, in case of chemical adsorption, it does not result in multimolecular layer, because for forming a layer on the surface of adsorbent by the adsorbate, it should form some chemical bond. So we cannot say that after one layer we get multimolecular layer in case of chemical adsorption. But in case of physical adsorption, it results in the formation of multimolecular layer. Since we are saying that only weak van der Waals forces are required between the adsorbent and adsorbate, so it results in the formation of multimolecular layer on adsorbent surface under high pressure. So these are the three distinct features of chemisorption which are not found in physical adsorption. That chemical adsorption, it is caused by some chemical bond formation, it is highly specific in nature, it forms unimolecular layer, and also this chemical adsorption, it is irreversible in nature. As it involves chemical bond formation, so it is irreversible in nature, but physical adsorption, it is reversible in nature. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।